Today we're diving into one of the most popular crypto automation tools in the world, the Pionex Grid Trading Bot, if you've ever wished. Your trades could run 24/7 and make profits while you sleep. This video is for you. I'll explain exactly how the Grid Bot works, show you how to set it up step by step, and share some pro tips to maximize your results. And the best part? Sign up on Pionex, plus $10,000 bonus. Use my referral code bonus888 via the link below in the video description. Let's get into it. Section 1. What is Pionex? Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange that comes with built-in trading bots. Unlike other platforms where you have to connect external bots, Pionex gives you free automated bots directly integrated into your account. They offer over 16 different bots, but the most famous one is the Grid Trading Bot. Why? Because it helps you buy low and sell high automatically, even when you're not watching the market. Section 2. What is a Grid Trading Bot? Here's the idea. The Grid Bot splits your chosen price range into multiple levels called grids. It automatically buys when the price drops to a lower grid and sells when the price rises to a higher one. It's perfect for sideways markets where prices move up and down in a range. Think of it like a robot constantly placing buy and sell orders for you, capturing profit every time the price swings. You can customize everything: the upper and lower price limits, the number of grids, your investment amount, and Pionex handles all the math behind the scenes. Section 3. When should you use it? The Grid Bot works best when the market is range-bound, not trending too hard up or down. If the price bounces between support and resistance levels, that's when this bot shines. But if the market suddenly breaks out in one direction, your grid might stop making trades, or even get stuck with an unbalanced position. That's why choosing the right range is key. Section 4. Step-by-step setup on Pionex. Let's set up your first Grid Bot together. Step 1. Go to pionex.com. Link below. Step 2. Click Sign Up. During registration, enter referral code bonus888 to unlock your exclusive bonus. Sign up on Pionex, plus $10,000 bonus, link below in the description. Step 3. Once logged in, go to the Bots section and choose Grid Trading Bot. Step 4. Select your trading pair. For example, BTC, USD. Step 5. Set your price range, upper and lower limits, and choose how many grids you want. The more grids gives the smaller each profit but more frequent trades. The fewer grids gives bigger profits per trade but less frequent. Step 6. Enter the total amount to invest and click Create. That's it. Your bot will now buy and sell automatically within the range you defined. You can also add stop loss and take profit to limit losses and secure profits. Trailing up allows your grid to move upward if the market trends higher. These tools make your bot much smarter and safer. Section 5. How it makes money. Each time the price moves up and down between your grids, the bot captures small profits, like harvesting micro gains repeatedly. Over time, these small wins can add up significantly. Remember, this isn't gambling, it's systematic trading. You define the logic and the bot executes it 24/7 without emotion. Pros. Fully automated, great for sideways market, simple to set up, works while you sleep. Cons. Not ideal in strong uptrends or downtrends, requires good range selection. Small profits per trade. Need patience, always use two-factor authentication, 2FA, and start small until you understand how your bot behaves. Monitor your grid range occasionally, especially when market volatility increases. So, that's how the Pionex Grid Trading Bot works. A simple yet powerful way to automate your crypto trading and capture profits from every market swing. If you're ready to give it a try, here's what to do. Sign up on Pionex, plus $10,000 bonus, using my referral code, bonus888, link below in the video description. Once you're in, set up your first bot and let it trade for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto bot tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy trading.